So hello everyone, in this video we are talking about Codex plugin. Recently OpenAI launches Codex plugin. Okay, so right now we are understanding the what are the Codex plugin, how to access of Codex plugin. Okay, so firstly, so basically Codex plugin and in Claude connectors both are the same. So in these plugins Codex have a skill section, then app, and then multiple MCP servers. Okay, just like Notion, Gmails, and others. Just like similar to the we can say about Claude have. Claude have also skills, apps, and MCP server. Okay, the both the product are same like Codex and Claude. Codex have desktop application, Claude have desktop application, Codex have right now plugin sections, and Claude have multiple type of we can say connectors. And if we call right now, you can see if you call this slash plugins, you can call the Figma, GitHub. So we are running this. Okay, but we are running this inside the Claude Code. Okay, so what the aim of this video? First we install Codex, yeah, and second we install Claude CLI, okay, both, and then we what we can do in Claude Code we access through Ollama, then in that we add this plugin of Codex. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so if you want to download Claude Code, you have to just go to Google and search the Claude Code CLI, and then you have to come with the first video. Right now we are on cloudcode.com product/Claude Code. Once the web page is open, wait for few minutes. Right now my internet connection is slow. If these both are the same links, these are the GitHub links and these are the website links. Okay, okay, wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, perfect. If you want to install Claude Code, just paste what is Claude, yeah, just paste this command to get the Claude Code. And secondly, if you want to install in extension in VS Code, you have to go in extension section, you get Claude Code there also. If you want to web, then this go to web section, wait for 2 minutes. Okay, if we copy this command npm install, okay, and then we go to command, yeah, if you install this, go to for Windows section, right click, and then my laptop is slow, yeah, you have to paste this command. Okay, by this Claude CLI is installed through this command in your directory, what directory you want to install. Okay, so we wait for few minutes and then we go ahead and we talk later more about. If you want to access this Claude Code, you have to subscribe already pro version, but how to we access this without paid subscription? We use Ollama. If you want, I give you the Ollama website. go to ollama.com and download this. Again, this you have to paste on your terminal. If you paste this sorry, you have to paste this one. So Ollama is installed. Okay, so we already have Claude Code in our CLI, so we are not downloading, and we already have Ollama, so we are not downloading that also. I give you two commands. First command is downloading Ollama for Windows. This command. If you want to download setup, you have to download this command. For make this Linux this and then, okay. And second one, if you want to download Claude Code, you have to paste this command in your PowerShell. Okay, like this they are running. And then if we are so finally we are on track. Now we are downloading Codex CLI. We have to enter Codex CLI, and then we have to come here and just run this command in your project directory. Okay, not on here. Okay. From this you get Codex. I already installed Codex, so right now I am just upgrading. Okay, update right now. So you get one link of a few articles in your description. Just copy it, just open it, and what I am doing you have to do. Okay, so if we go on Claude Code Codex plugin, run inside Claude Code, we got one, this. So we got one repo link official of the OpenAI, just like see github.com OpenAI. This repo also mentioned in the description, and I have pinned to the comment section. These are the commands for accessing the code review, code advanced shell review, Codex rescue, Codex status. Okay, so you have to first in your Claude Code we have to paste this plugin master. So how we can do without spending a single line of amount? So we are in my account. We go models. For this model we are using a simple model called Minimax 2.7. okay, and if you want to use this model in Claude Code, you have to paste this model in Codex. You have to paste this Open Code and similar to the Open Code. So we are using Claude Code, then we have to paste this on here. So right now, sorry, yeah, done. So right now Claude Code is opening in Minimax 2.7. okay, so like this is my Claude Code. You see the version of model is 2.7 cloud. okay, and now here what we are doing, we are on plugins, sorry, we are on these articles, this repo, and just slash plugins and sorry see, when I enter plugins add OpenAI Codex, the successfully added marketplace this come. okay, now we are installing plugin Codex. OpenAI Codex is already installed globally. Use by /plugin to the manage existing plugin. Okay, so I already installed this plugin, so that's why they come this type of. If you enter this, they are downloading. Now we are reloading the plugin. So if then we reload plugin, what the Claude Code said, one plugin have 7 skills, 6 agents, 3 hooks. Okay, then we are setting the Claude Codex from now. See, okay, right now here come Claude Code. Now we are setting Codex inside the Claude Code. See what are they doing? they are downloading from marketplace Codex plugin right now. Perfect. See what they did. Okay, if we want to access this, go to plugin. If these are not running, then you have to install this from globally. Okay, I already have Codex. Wait, I have Codex and it's already authenticate. Okay, so that's why in this session they are not asking me to sign in again. Okay, right now see my model GPT-4 medium, and if I want to change the model, go for /model, and in that I can use GPT-4 or GPT 5.3 Codex. I use this one 5.3 for multitasking. Okay, so from this you can use inside the Claude Code Codex. Okay, but what are the benefits of using this? So if you have Codex subscription, then you can use this inside the Claude Code by the powering your code, because Claude Code have Entropic have their skills, Claude Code have their skills. You can merge both skills together. Okay, and I recommend you to use this Minimax 2.7 model, because of you can see the benchmark of this model. Wait, I open the see the benchmark. And second one is I want to show you something. If you are using Alibaba model studio, sorry, if you go on Alibaba cloud, and here the not coding plan, if you go see from this in this plan you have to invest $50 per month, and you get 90,000 requests per month on Claude Code, or this model you can use with, and this is very good. And second plan I have to share with you, Minimax plan. If you go and if you go on Minimax, what happened here? Also some good plans, $100 plans, you get 1,500 requests, continue to 5 hours if you want to use. Okay, and this is good for if you are using OpenClaw. Okay, this support OpenClaw. 1,500 requests is enough to, I think, if you are building a production grade application, that also this much. In Copilot you are using 300 requests, premium requests per month, and from this, and we have also a Blackbox AI if you want to use this. Okay, these are the additional information for just for general knowledge. Like if you are using this for one account or two, 3 accounts you made, and then go for it. And this account for first month you get $2 per month, and in this you get 400 plus models and free agentic request for Minimax 2.5. Minimax 2.5 is good for coding also, so these two models is best for. So in this video you learn 2-3 things. First, how to connect Claude Code with Ollama, or you can say like how we run free of cost Claude Code, okay, or Codex we can how to use free of cost, okay. Second one, what are the benefits of plugins of Codex, we understand. Then what are the how we connect Codex through plugin in Claude Code, we understand this. And other than I show you some pricing, good pricing, so please subscribe the channels, okay. And if you want to, comment section is open. If you want to say new topic, I can make videos, okay. Thank you so much.